Okay, so the subject of this real talk about trading today is the subject of timing. So most of you have heard other people say, you can't time the market. You cannot do this. You certainly cannot time the market with options. Oh, are you fucking crazy? Oh, you certainly cannot time the market with weekly options. Well, that is why we have designed 13 market moves, because it helps you. It doesn't necessarily mean just because you study the hell out of 13 market moves that you will nail the market every single motherfucking day, because nobody's able to do that. But it will give you the extra edge to nail the markets on the days when it's highly meaningful. There are moments in time where time matters. I know it sounds ridiculous, but there are times and times and times in your life where you have done something, or where you have attempted to do something that have impacted your life for the rest of your life. The way you are right now is a result of you taking action or not taking action on certain opportunities that you have had in your life. And we don't necessarily have to be talking about trading right this very moment. I want you to close your eyes and think about some of the things that you have taken action on and some of the things that you have not taken action on in your life. If you're a guy that loves women, a guy like me, remember all those moments when you really liked a girl and you asked her out and she said yes. And you were like, fuck yeah, I'm glad I did. Remember also all those times when you asked the girl and she said, well, screw you. I don't want to have anything to do with you. Okay, maybe you should go shave, which, hey, all that means at times, it's the timing. It is the fucking timing of the month. And maybe the girl you liked, she said, screw you. Hell with you. All it mattered, you asked her the next morning. And if you did, and if you were persistent at your strategy, hey, I like this girl. Okay, I want to be with this girl. I want to take her out. Okay, I want to fuck the hell out of this beautiful girl. Okay, and if you said, look, I'm going to ask her one more time. Okay, notice this. The girl did not change. Sometimes I hear guys, well, Leo, this ENPH trade, it fucking bounced on me. There's no way I'm ever going to be trading this son of a bitch again. Well, hold on a second. Let's rewind this. Back to the girl that you're really serious about getting with, okay? You ask her, she says, screw you. What does that mean? You're not going to ask her ever again. No, all that means is, okay, you probably ask her at the wrong moment. So ask her again. And there's a probability, there's about 5 days in a month where she will say, screw you. Hell with you. I hate you. Doesn't matter. Be a fucking man. Man does not give up. You want something in life, you go fucking get it. It could take a little bit longer than you expect, okay? But the bottom line is, you could catch a girl at the wrong timing of the month. That means there's nothing wrong with you. It is just wrong timing to be asking her to go out with you, to do something with you, to spend time with you, to do whatever. Timing matters. Timing matters with the girls. Timing matters with the markets. Timing matters when you were a kid and you were attempting to do something and it worked. And it gave you the confidence to fucking go all out. And maybe, hey, that's how Elon Musk got his confidence. He said, I'll build a rocket. And he fucking started building one. Everybody said, well, you can build a fucking rocket, but he built one anyway. So, point is, there are moments in time where people are going to tell you you cannot do shit, you can't do this, you're going to fail at this, you cannot go out with this girl, you cannot get this in life, you cannot... They're all fucking wrong. So if you understand that they're all fucking wrong, and why would they all be wrong? Well, they're wrong because they're just a subject of what's happening in the world. Like, when people began to make runs on the banks, right? It's like, man, I'm getting my fucking money out. I don't give a shit. Okay? But how about going to Silicon Valley Bank today trying to open an account? Well, hallelujah. We welcome you. Please come open an account with us. Like, you get a totally different perspective. Where maybe 3 weeks ago, Silicon Valley didn't give a shit about you opening an account there. Now they're all in. Timing matters. Timing makes a huge difference. Timing makes a huge difference in your personal life. It makes a huge difference on your business life. Why would you expect timing not to make a huge difference in your trading? Just think about it. Leo, I got into this trade, I lost $3,000. And what is your fucking point? Does it make it a bad trade? Not necessarily. Where was this trade 48 hours later? If you just stuck with the trade, you probably would have made 2x, 3x, 4x, 5x, okay? But what happened to you? Leo, this pressure of life, my wife. Oh, Leo, if you only knew. Leo, I'm happy to make 200 and get out. That is exactly why you don't make any serious money in trading. Okay? It's all about timing. And right now, guys, we're facing timing in the market that is so critical. That is so fucking timely. I don't know how to say it. This is the fucking time. Okay? Every time Janet pumps the market, what do? I don't have the time to bring up a lot of charts right now. What do? You short it. You don't think twice about it. Oh, Janet is speaking. The market's pumping. Fuck it. I'm all in. I'm shorting the hell out of this son of a bitch. Why? Because it will drop. Janet Yellen and Santa Claus Powell can't fucking save the market. The reason I call him Santa Claus is because back in 2018, he raised the rate. He raised the rate in December of 2018. And the market didn't like it. Okay? Powell has a phenomenal statistical probability of getting shit wrong. So what I am saying is bet against Powell. You bet against that son of a gun because he will get shit wrong. And if you're thinking he got shit right and you're buying calls, you're fucking wrong. I guarantee it 100%. Okay? The way we study the moves, the way we study the market behavior here at 13 Market Moves, there's not a fucking way that Powell is right. Okay, he got this shit all fucked up. Listen, the Federal Reserve announcement yesterday. Who the hell hikes into a major recession? Well, Powell is great at it. Fuck, he hiked in 2018. The market sold off. He hiked now, and the market's like, oh, we don't know. Is that a good thing or a bad thing? You will find out that it is a very bad fucking thing in the next 72 to 96 hours because the market is going to be way fucking lower and you're going to be like, well, hold on. In the news, they were saying like they didn't know if it was a good thing or a bad. It is a fucking bad thing. Powell has no fucking clue about how the market is going to respond to his bullshit. And exactly like sometimes I think if they put a 5-year-old instead of fucking Federal Reserve, a 5-year-old would do a better job. The banks are fucking collapsing. Oh, we think the economy is great. Let's hike another quarter point. Are you out of your motherfucking mind? Can you do the simple fucking math? Back in 1980s, they raised the interest rates from 8% to 18%. How many times is that? That's like 2x. Okay, fucking let's call it 3x. You go from 0, or let's call it a quarter point, to a fucking 5%. How many times is that? Can you do a basic math, motherfucking Powell? That's 20x, goddammit. You're gonna raise 20x interest rates, and you expect things to be good? I'm sorry. Which fucking school did you go to? If you went to the school of life, anytime something goes fucking 20x within a very short amount of time, it spells disaster. So if you can't read through this simple, interest rates went up 20x, I go long the market, are you fucking out of your mind? Let's get a reality check here. Leo, I can't short the market. It looks like it can bounce. Love the fucking bounces. Marry them. Make the bounces your fucking girlfriend. Make the bounces your little bitch who's gonna give you a blowjob every time they pump and they dump. Okay? Fucking let's go. This is not the time to take no prisoners. This is the time to... Oh, Janet Yellen is speaking? Short it. Short the bitch. Short the bitch. That's what you need to be doing right now. Not like, oh my God, Janet Yellen is speaking. I'm frightened. What if, oh my God, what if she's going to say something to pump the market? Thank you, Janet, for the multiple opportunities to short the market. Okay? Thank you. I appreciate it. I appreciate the greatness of your speech being able to pump the market to the point where I, as a short seller, can profit greatly. Thank you very much. Can you please keep doing this shit again? Can you please pump the market tomorrow so I can short the fuck out of it? Okay, this is your mentality. The markets are easy. The world is going to hell. United States dollar is going to hell. Do I need to show you the chart of fucking gold? The last video I've posted, gold was at 1948. I said buy the fuck out of it. And most of you were like, oh, Leo, I cannot buy this because it looks like it's going down. Well, fuck you. What does it look like to you right now? Gold is above 2,000. Oh, Leo, looks like it's going up now. Yeah, where the fuck were you when I posted the last video? Exactly my point. Exactly why you should fucking call us here at 13 Market Moves, not tomorrow, fucking tonight, and get your courses. Get your fucking courses. What are you waiting on? Oh, Leo, I'm going to wait for Janet Yellen to pump the market. I'm going to buy calls. What are you, a fucking idiot? Like, stop. Stop this bullshit right now. Okay? Stop it. You have an opportunity to set yourself and your family financially free for the rest of your fucking life. I don't give a shit if you're 18, 21, 31, goddamn 71. Okay? You have an opportunity in front of you where things are so fucking pathetic and stupid that a 5-year-old can throw a rock and make money. So, can you at least throw a rock click the button at 13marketmoves.com and make sure you schedule a goddamn conversation with a coach who's going to help you get off your fucking ass right now and make some shit happen while the rest of the world is asleep. Now, you can't be listening to fucking CNBC. This is the worst fucking shit, okay? CNBC is like, well, let me give you the stocks you could be hiding out in right now where shit is dropping. Why would you want to be hiding out in any motherfucking stocks? Why wouldn't you just want to short the fuck out of the stock market? Please, give me one fucking reason. Okay, banks are failing. Janet Yellen is she don't know what the fuck she's doing. Powell is like, he is fucking clueless. Like, please send me back to school, motherfucker. Guys, come to your senses now. This is the greatest fucking opportunity. The financial institutions, they ain't got a fucking clue what to do with this market. Yellen, she's out of her fucking mind. Powell is like losing his mind as well. Look, this was probably his last fucking speech. We may never see Powell ever again. They may have to re-elect somebody to carry the show on because this motherfucker's probably going to lose his mind. Look at what he has done. He has raised fucking interest rates going into major bank collapse. Imagine another bank goes out of business tomorrow. What do you think is going to happen? The market's going to go up? Yeah. You probably went to the same school fucking Jay Powell and Janet Yellen went to. Oh, well, we're going to guarantee the fucking deposits on these banks that are going down. Hello, motherfuckers. Hello. Anybody out there? Them guaranteeing the fucking bank deposits is not necessarily a good thing. Okay, that means shit is this bad to where Federal Reserve has to guarantee everyone's fucking deposits? Are you out of your mind thinking that this is a bull? Get the fuck out of here. Get your 13 market move scores today. Jesus Christ. What the fuck are you listening to? Lord have mercy upon your souls. Fucking intelligence rise in your mind tonight. Guys, I don't know what else to fucking tell you. I mean, do I have to be a fucking market priest on a fucking Friday night? I don't know. All I'm saying is, you blink, you lose. It's all about market timing. It's all about, did you ask this girl at the right moment? It's not about you. It's about, do you understand the timing? And there are moments you're not going to understand the timing, and it's fine because you're a human being. But there are moments in the market, just like now, that you have to be an absolute idiot not to understand the timing. So if you need a little help with the timing, yeah, I pretty much just called you an idiot. So if you want to argue that with me, Mr. Bull, you want to go buy the fucking market right now, okay, please feel free to schedule a call here at 13 Market Moves and talk to me directly, okay? So let's go at it. And honestly, I don't have fucking time to do that. If you're ready to make millions, sign up at 13 Market Moves. And if you want to continue being a little bitch, listening to Janet Yellen and fucking Jay Powell, fucking, that's on you. Okay, the message is out there. I can sleep good at night because I have warned you. The greatest opportunity of your life to short the market is here. If you don't take the fucking shots, if you don't take the chances, well, 13 Market Moves have warned you. So, if, however, you're sick and tired of mediocrity, you're sick and tired of bleeding your account 500 a year, 2,000, if you are sick and tired and you're ready to go, make a few $1 million. You know, we're in the mission to take 44 guys this year to $1 million plus. Let's go. If that's you, if you think you got what it fucking takes, you call us tonight. I don't give a shit. If it's 10, 11, 12, 1 a.m., someone here at 13 Market Moves is fucking trading. So you talk to us tonight.